I'm Nancy Ankowitz, a career and presentation coach and author of Self-Promotion for Introverts, The Quiet Guide to Getting Ahead. Today, you'll learn a simple 3-step formula for writing your LinkedIn summary bio. I'll show that formula to an MBA candidate at the Zicklin School of Business at Baruch College, so you'll get to see it in real time. Step 1. Look for a job posting that interests you. Make a list of approximately 10 keywords that you think matter the most to the hiring managers and recruiters for that job. Prioritize the keywords from 1, what you believe to be the most important to the hiring manager, to 10, the least important. Yanomi, thank you so much for preparing this list of keywords after finding 2 job descriptions that you liked. So just let me know, what's the name of the key job that you're looking for?
That's the business design in a design consulting firm, and this is the bridge between the business world and the design and innovation part.
Step 2. Now it's time to draft your bio, starting with your first sentence. Be sure to include the title of the job that you're aiming for. Don't miss this step. For example, you could start with, I'm a marketing analytics professional. If you're studying accounting or are switching careers and say want to be an external auditor, but you're not there yet, you could write, I'm an aspiring external auditor in public accounting. Once you've come up with the first draft that includes all the keywords, add some personality to your bio. Here's where you can add an adjective or 2 to describe yourself, something unusual about your background, a statement that describes your mission or vision, or even a quotation from someone you admire. I'd like you to bring as much as your experience as possible to this bio. If you picture a Venn diagram, we're picturing the overlap between what the employers are looking for and what you offer.
So Nancy, should my LinkedIn bio be specific to a certain job, or should it be tailored, should be broad to many jobs?
Yes and yes and no and no. It's a tricky question. If those jobs are important to you and you're applying mainly for a certain kind of job, then let your LinkedIn bio appeal to hiring managers for that kind of job. If you need to be broader, then you're watering down your experience for some positions and you may water down too much. So it's a bit of a balancing act. The third step is to edit your bio. Here are a few time-tested techniques for that. First, don't rush the editorial process, which is iterative. I recommend getting some distance from your draft and reviewing it with fresh eyes on a new day. Next, print it out because you may see errors on the hard copy that you missed on a computer screen. Read it out loud. Cut all unnecessary words and revise your bio until you feel good about it. Lastly, ask somebody you trust with good editorial skills to review your bio. Business Design Strategist brings 3 years' experience independently managing projects at a major commercial bank, builds strong relationships with clients, ranked number 1 for client satisfaction, identifies clients' unmet needs and customizes solutions, drives revenue. Keen Observer is passionate about creating user-friendly solutions to improve products and services for clients in multiple industries. Adept at conducting qualitative and quantitative research as well as analyses, including financial modeling and data analytics to inform business decisions. Enjoys presenting to corporate clients, including C-suite executives. Thrives in entrepreneurial environments. Highly collaborative, curious, relishes challenges.